Did you hear it? That unnerving hum. The sky whispers secrets. Across continents, they hear it. Deep, metallic groans. Distant trumpets. The sky trumpets phenomenon. Witnesses describe a world vibrating. Geologists blame shifting plates. Atmospheric scientists suggest pressure. But the sounds defy logic. Global reports mirror each other, not wind. Not imagination. It's a consistent, unexplained chorus. A symphony from the void. And it has no source. What if it's not natural? A message? A warning? A presence we cannot comprehend? Listening.